Happy evening, guys. Today we shall know how to use OLabs. Right? It is a facility provided by, funded by Government of India, and it has been executed by Amrita Vidyapeetham. Right? So in here we have artificial labs. We can do everything here for physics, chemistry, biology, everything we can do here. For my part, let me go to chemistry and show you how you can do the laboratory experiments here. Right, this is chemistry. Here, this is class 12. Here, class 11, class 10. So, all the practicals, what you are doing in the class, respective classes are given here. So, here we can go for determination of concentration of KMnO4 solution. Right? So this experiment is our bold practicals. Na? Let us go through this one. So here, when getting into this, we are having much more things. This is a theory part. This is a procedure. What you had written in your record notebook. Right? This is a procedure you had written in your record notebook. And these are the things required to do. Materials required they had given in this form. And here, this is an animated video format of what you have to do. This is available in YouTube too. If you click here now, you can see it here itself, or else you can go to YouTube and you can search this title: Determination of Concentration of KMnO4 Meteor Labs. Determination of the molarity of KMnO4 by using FAS solution, right? So here, if we see, we can get the things whatever we have to do. Let me go through a fast forward. So the preparation of a standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate should be done by you. What are things required further? It has been given here, and then making of the solution is done here. And this is the actual procedure you have to do. Fill the KMnO4 over there. And dilute H2SO4, you have to add in the conical flask. So dilute H2SO4 is taken after taking the 20 ml of a phase. And titration is getting on. And final reading. This is the final reading you are obtaining here. And volume of KMnO4 used here. Calculation part. This is the equation you might have written in your record. This is the formula. So final calculation will be around 0.09, 0.08, and the salt analysis, salt value will be around 1.4 or 1.5 something else, right?